Are you ready to crush your enemies in Little Alchemy 2 with a mighty weapon? Today we are diving into the Myths and Monsters pack of Little Alchemy 2 to create a legendary Kanabo. I am Hemant, you are watching Candid.Technology, and let us proceed. To create Kanabo in Little Alchemy 2, you'll have to subscribe to the Myths and Monsters pack. After you have subscribed, combine water with water to create puddle. Now combine two puddles to create pond. Now combine two ponds to create lake. Now combine two lakes to create sea. Now combine sea with earth to create primordial soup. Let's keep it aside. Combine fire with fire to create energy. Now just combine energy with primordial soup to create life. After you have created life, let's keep it aside. Combine water with earth to create mud. Now combine air with air to create pressure. Now combine earth with pressure to create stone, and now combine stone with mud to create clay. Now all you have to do is combine clay with life to get a human. After you have created human, just combine it with the stone to create a tool. Once the tool is created, keep it aside. Now combine evil with immortality to create demon. Now combine monster with demon to create Oni. Now all you have to do is combine Oni with tool and you will have Kanabo. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.